can do things you cannot. You can do things I cannot. Together, we can do great things.
We cannot be separated in interest or divided in purpose. We stand together until the end.
By the same token, rosary beads comes in all shapes, colors, sizes and quality. Each bead serves its own purpose.
The same proves right for our prestigious school, where each member of our Rosarian family has some or the other duty to perform to ensure a smooth functioning.
To celebrate this cooperation, teamwork and unity, today we all have gathered here on this propitious day. One more year passed, leaving a handful of memories to all of us. We have joined here to celebrate the completion of yet another successful year, and we recall the founders and all the well-wishers of this educational institute. On this felicitous day, we have amidst us Honorable Father Alphonse Shaw as the chief guest of this occasion. Father is the Chancellor of Delhi Catholic Archdiocese and the Rector of Trinity College, Major Seminary, Jalandhar. May your positive aura bless our school with grace and growth. We welcome you, dear Father, in our midst with a bouquet.
Next, we welcome Mr. Vijay Pal Daya as the guest of honor for today's program. We are very thankful to you, sir, as you readily agreed to bless our school with your presence when we approach you with our invitation. We welcome you, sir, with a bouquet.
Patiently, you mentor and lead, sharing wisdom and meeting each need. These words stand true for our generous and proactive principle. Dear Father Victor Emmanuel, we welcome you with a bouquet. Finally, I wholeheartedly welcome the heart and soul of this institute, that is, our dear teachers and our dear students, without whom we could not have thought of this wonderful program.
Last but not the least, I welcome all our non-teaching staff who have always stood beside us in overall functioning of the program.
Once again, we welcome everyone with a huge round of applause.
While she holds your hand, you cannot fall. Mary, our mother, sustained us in moments of darkness, difficulties, and apparent defeat.
Now we will have our traditional auspicious lamp lighting ceremony as a reverence and veneration to Mother Mary. Mother, we pray with all humility for your blessings to be bestowed upon us and give us wisdom to make this world a better place. May all human beings live in harmony with one another.
May the truth prevail. May the darkness of ignorance be swept away by the dawn of self-realization. With these words, we would like to request our Honorable Chief Guest, our Principal, to come on the stage to honor our beloved and blessed Mother Mary.
When darkness comes, let us not condemn the dark, but light a candle to illuminate. Candle symbolizes refinement and divine. It is indicative of truth and is a symbol of promise. Candles are believed to contain the gift of the gods. We honor Mother Mary with lit candles to receive her blessings on humanity, especially on Rosarian family members. So, I request all the teachers to please come on the stage for holy candle lighting ceremony. Prayer works wonders. Prayers are raised from the heart with faith and bhakti. Prayer is not a spare wheel that you can pull out when in trouble, but it is indeed a steering wheel that directs the right path throughout life.
and may our prayers always keep us on the right path. So let's invite the teachers of Rosary School for a soulful prayer song.
Humanity is an important part of God's creation. Humanity means to help others. Humanity means to understand others. And humanity means to extend your helping hand to quench the thirst of others in need.
Just being human, one needs neither be rich and poor either. Just remain as you are, not the way you are.
Religion comes to answer the queries raised in human history. The substantial foundation of every religion is to serve with love and live in peace and harmony with one another.
The greatest sacrifice is when you sacrifice your own happiness for the sake of someone else. To present these emotions of humanity, love, and sacrifice, here we invite our students and teachers of Rosary School to present the explicit skit. Let us all give them a great cheer.
Love is a word that is thrown around in conversation like passing of a ball in a basketball game. It bounces off the lips. There is both giving and taking, and we all want to score when it comes to love. The word love has a lot of meaning. We love the things which we like the most. We also love our parents, brothers, sisters, family members, and relatives. But loving someone who is not related to us distinguishes the great from others. Love can mean different things at different times to different people. Can we really know what exactly love is? Let us watch.
First part only.
Priya? Priya?
Mother?
Come here. Slowly. Shh. Slowly, slowly.
What, Mother? What?
Tomorrow, your parents are coming.
Mama, Papa?
Your parents are coming.
My parents?
Yes, your mother and father are coming to meet you.
Really?
Yes, really, they are coming to take you home.
What? How? Is it true, Mother?
They were searching you for a long time and they have found you in this place. Tomorrow they will come.
Mother, now itself I shall go and tell to my friends.
No, don't tell them now. Let it happen successfully. Then we shall tell your friends.
Okay, Mother.
Go and sleep well.
Yes, Mother.
May we come in, ma'am?
Yes, sir, please do.
Madam, we came to see our daughter.
Yes, I got this information from the police yesterday itself.
Where is our child? We want to see her.
Madam, please tell me, where is my daughter? I want to see her just now.
Ma'am, first we must do all the necessary formalities, then I will call your daughter. See, there is your daughter. Go and meet her.
Anita, your father and mother.
Mama, Papa, where were you all these days? Why you didn't come to see me all these days? Priya, Mother, see, my father and my mother have come. Priya, is my mother looking good?
Yes, she is looking beautiful.
can see the world, but no one will come to adopt me because I can't see anything. Everything is black to me.
Anita, don't worry, you will also get your parents. One day, someone will come to adopt you also.
Only one thing I wish. I want to kiss my mother. That is enough for me. Why they left me in the ashram?
Anita, surely your mother will come to meet you one day and then you can kiss her.
It is wrong, Priya.
Please, mother. Anita is visually impaired. I don't know what I'm doing, but see her mother, how happy she is. So please don't tell them or her the truth. Let her enjoy the God's gift of life with them. By seeing her happy, I am also happy.
God bless you, my child.
Priya, watchman, mother, thank you.
It is in giving, not in getting, in losing, not in gaining, in realizing, not in possessing that we love. True love is manifested when you sacrifice your own happiness for the sake of others, no matter how painful the choices you face might be. Sometimes sacrificing your own happiness to make others smile is the biggest achievement. Giving up of one's own interests for the sake of others exalt man. So, let us elevate our minds with positive thoughts, fill our hearts with love, and live in the virtue of sacrifice. If you want to bring happiness within you, go to the world and love the unloved, uncared, unwanted, and the utmost needed.